That's the phantasmic storage right there. Alex doesn't like that part though. There's... Over there is Ronto Roasters, which is where I got that amazing wrap. And the marketplace is in here. Let's see, and we're here from about 11 to 3, so, and there's going to be another live stream that I'm going to be doing, so. So in there is Ronto Roasters. You can kind of see the, you can see the giant pod racer they have in there. If you can actually see it, I don't know. Let me brighten it up for you. See, there's the giant roaster right there. So. We got paparazzi. I don't know why, but the sky just changed all of a sudden. There's the sun. It doesn't even feel like, oh my goodness. There's stormtroopers watching us. It doesn't even feel like I'm at Disneyland anymore. Everyone's got cameras. Everyone has a bunch of cameras. Even I got a camera. That is incredible right there. Just this is amazing. We all know what that is.
You want to get back on Millennium Falcon?
2 o'clock?
Alex says that this is more like a berry drink, and it's got the texture of water almost. Isn't that right?
No. It's gooey. It's very gooey, but it's a good gooey. It's a positive gooey, and it's very thick, extremely thick. It's made of rice milk and coconut milk put together.
Well, what do you know? I might try it one of these days, but not right now because I'm getting water. Oh, come on, you blocked it. Like I was saying before, there's filtered water stations next door to these regular water fountains. Oh no.
Look amazing when the trees grow in. Oh, Kris already said.
Alex is having a live stream right now. Yay! That was the, Hey Alex, that was the Columbia.
I just said that, Eric.
Never mind. Chewbacca's coming straight towards us.
So right now we are in a partial transition. So at the moment, a lot of people are... Okay, so it's kind of weird. There's a lot of people here, but the thing is right now
Chewie.
They're all waiting at the Millennium Falcon. Hi!
Hi.
They're all waiting at the Millennium
Bread Sense.
Falcon, or they're at the Cantina. So literally that's where all the crowds are right now. There is Chewbacca right in front of us.
I don't want to ruin that moment.
Oh, you love it.
Hi, Chewie.
How you doing? Do you have a Wookiee roll?
No, I can't do it like he does.
Well, I mean...
I don't know what this is. It looks like that giant, it kind of looks like that giant pod racer that that was barbecuing earlier.
So entrance to Rise of the Resistance is right over here. It's right off the beaten path. If you walk over this way, you'll see the entrance. I believe the standby line is all the way over there. It's furthest west you can get.
It is. Currently, it is broken. I think I'm gonna have a live stream now.
The wait time.
There's a waterfall back there. And check out these things. These are soda containers. So this is the marketplace. This is where you can buy a bunch of different merchandise. Like back there is Ronto Roasters. Over here is Star Wars themed merch. And it's the same thing over on all these sides. I can smell Rontos all the way from here.
This is mostly shop. I think that was the shop I was looking for.
In there is like a pet store for intergalactic pets. Hey, that's a cool name, Intergalactic Pets. So we just got off of the Millennium Falcon again, second time today. I know, right? Alex is getting something, and I already got it. And it's one of these. Here, let me get it in the light. There you go. This is a canteen? Something? I don't know, but it looks like a grenade. But this one is Coca-Cola. So now we're going to say goodbye to Galaxy's Edge as we venture out back into Disneyland, which I'm really upset about because I love this land so much and I want to spend more time here. What a perfect note to end on. Man, that's such an epic And we're back in Disneyland. And so ends my day in Galaxy's Edge. I went to a galaxy far, far away, crashed the Millennium Falcon twice, sort of. And I got to experience something I never thought I would here at Disneyland. And now I'm back in the regular park. Anyway, I thank you all so much for watching. And I hope you enjoyed the live streams I did too. Anyway, if you guys want to check out my other videos, you can check them out on screen right now. I thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you again for another video. Bye all my guys and gals.
Now, for our very own pleasure, we'd like to sing an old military tune. She was loyal to the regiment, but rotten to the core. I that heard down where the black-eyed Susans grow, down where the perfume breezes blow. You can talk about your fields of cotton, talk about your fields of sugar. down. The black eyed Susans, hey, black eyed Susans go down. This is not slower, no. This is blowing down. You never feel so cotton. Black eyed Susans laughing. Where nothing could be finer. California, Carolina, down. Where the black eyed Susans go. Every sweet loves her bow, that's so. You'll be satisfied, I know. You will always want to go down where the black-eyed Susans go. Down where the black-eyed Susans
Look at how beautiful she is. Wow. Real quick, before I forget, this is the new Adventureland sign. I don't know if you can see it though. Oh, there we go. So they replaced it and they got rid of this hut, which honestly I'm gonna miss that hut, but I guess it kind of helps. Anyway, I got popcorn and I'm heading over to Splash Mountain to watch it. Dinner theater. Look at that castle, it's gorgeous. Oh, and by the way, Shirley's with me now. Oh, I love it so much. Walt, I know you're here, so this is amazing for me and you. And look, they got lightsabers. And those are the ones that are probably from Star Wars Land. And look at this. I got a log to myself.